are back for some taco toppings. And I know that in our recipe we mentioned onions, tomatoes, avocado, and cilantro. But there's many other taco toppings that can be added to this and make it delicious. Chef Noemi, can we do this together? So you guys, this is the handle of the knife. This is the blade. This little groove here is called the bolster, okay? So on a grown-up chef's knife, you would pinch the bolster and roll your fingers around. And that's what, there we go, Chef Noemi, you're doing great. Can you show everybody what happens to the fingers that are holding your ingredients? Do we stick them out like that?
No.
No.
We do this.
You curl them back, and here in California we call that a bear claw.
Because bears have claws like this.
Show me how does a bear do? All right, look at this baby. Isn't this so beautiful?
It's so big.
It is so big.
I at my granny and papa's house, they have a tomato that's this big in their garden.
For this big, beautiful heirloom tomato, I'm just gonna get into slices. And here, Chef Noemi, what I would like you to do is first, you can cut into strips or even strips like that and then cut across, okay? Yeah, and you see how Chef Noemi is going back and forth with her arm? On a serrated knife, it will help a lot for them if they go back and forth. Looking beautiful, Chef. Do you want to cut one more strip here? I'm holding for you. Gorgeous. And if you want to cut one strip at a time, you're also welcome to, okay? Just to make sure that you make small squares. Probably everybody has their own technique to cut an avocado. I like to just cut halfway lengthwise, separate here. And then because Chef Noemi will be slicing, I'm just gonna scoop the whole thing up. Whoa. Aha. Okay. Now you're gonna do the same thing. One hand holds one side.
I can't even hold on to this. I can just do this.
It's so slippery. So plucking is just pinching right where the leaf meets the stem and separating it, okay? And then we're gonna put the leaves in the bowl and the stems can come back in here. So the last thing we're gonna slice here is some red onion.
Can I tell you something about onion? When you cut it, it feels like you're crying.
I heard that if you stick your tongue out while you're cutting, you're not gonna cry. Do you wanna try that?
Yeah.
This is so silly. So if we slice just kind of like half moons, then it's easier for the kid to go ahead and slice into small pieces. Let me just wrench this. But we don't want avocado on our onions. Okay, let me clean up this for you.
This is fun, not very.
Nice.
It's squirted in my face and I like that.
What?
It's squirted in my eye.
We're doing great. So it looks like our toppings that needed to be chopped are ready. We will get some cheese before we start working on the tacos. If cheese is something that you like, you do that too.
I love cheese.
It looks like we're done with our toppings. We are gonna be right back to make our tie-dye tortillas.